Hey guys, what's up? Hi. So we are now in there. We're there. We have hotels for like the rest of the time, so I don't think we're gonna be in the tour bus. So we can't really play our prank, but it's fine. But we're gonna go in the hotel and like get showered and get ready, and then we're gonna go over to the venue because we have another show today. You see our shoes.
Our shoe situation right now is...
Okay, mine looks worse.
We're waiting for us when we got off the tour bus. Do you want to say hi?
Hi!
Way too cold.
Hey!
My phone flew out of my pocket.
Oh.
My phone like fell over.
Johnny and Lauren are matching.
Who wore it better?
You. This is the dog from the last venue. Come here! No! Hi. Love me. What's this? Oh, 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 oh! Destroying my tripod. Good. Okay, so I just did sound check, and now we're waiting to eat our food, and we're playing a game of Crazy Eights. I don't know if you guys know what Crazy Eights is, but it's like Uno, and it's on iMessage, and it's literally we're addicted. All right, guys, Lauren's gonna do my makeup today, right? Sure. She said if it looks terrible, don't blame her. Okay, so now I'm about to go into the meet and greet. We lost the dog for a second. And
not our dog.
Well, not our dog, but we found it. They found it.
There is a moment meant for us, and now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow with me, I won.
We're back at the hotel. There's like these beanbag things, and I jumped on Lauren. Hi.
Wow, look at you jumping!
Did you think I only could play drums?
No. You can dance too.
No, I'm good. I don't need candy.
You want a Twix for your trip?
I'm gonna start a vlogging channel about the vlogging you guys.
You get the best of both worlds when you come late to the show. You get the best of both worlds. You mix it all together, and you know that is the best of both. Is there anything else?
Okay, so I braided one side of his head into a ponytail. Lauren's doing the other into another ponytail, and he's gonna look great, right?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
Razem z nią będziecie się bawić przy takich...
Thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and peace.